This is a brand new 2-in-1 folding sack truck and trolley from Stanley. You can see straight away, it's absolutely compact, folds down flat so it fits in anybody's car boot, down the side of your van, at home in the garage, under the stairs, etc. when you just need something, some help when you're carrying or moving heavy or difficult shaped objects. This is a super clever bit of kit. You can see straight away, really compact, really strong and heavy, full metal construction, and this is the two-way options that you have. Really easy to use as well. So simply to put it into trolley mode, pop the handles up, the wheels jump out straight away you have a trolley. Movable wheels at the back, which are really clever. The handle can also be extended just by clicking the two buttons. You can extend it to a different height. So obviously it's really versatile as well, and that neatly folds away. You've got a trolley, as we said, so if you've got a great big box you need to move, really heavy, away you go. You've not got to struggle. You can just carry that around, move it around, fully versatile with the wheels. Super product this is, really clever. You've also got, if you wanted to contain something, you can lift the foot plate up, and there you have again something to stop it falling off if you need it to. But what we said earlier was it's 2-in-1, so this is trolley mode. Simply click the two buttons and it moves into sack truck mode. So again, you've got even more versatility with this particular item. Comes with a bungee cord as well for holding things in place. So if you've got taller items that you need to hold, takes things upstairs. Really useful. In trolley mode, when it's flat, it takes up to 137 kilos of weight. In this particular mode, in sack truck mode, it takes 80 kilos of weight. So with anything you're struggling with, you've got a trolley and a truck, so you've not got a problem moving anything around. You can use it for sacks of peat in the garden, you can use it for bricks, anything. Pop it in the back of your car. It's really useful. It's a fantastic price as well. Pop into your Real Deal store, have a look at one, take one home with you today.